Hello everybody. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox kicked for unexpected client. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox kicked for unexpected client, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will find this page, you will search about Roblox app. Then in this window of app info, you will click on first stop and we click OK. Then we go to click storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps, then you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.